So you have to determine the equation of each of the following parabolas. So in the first one, what I'd like you to look at there is, well, it's symmetrical about the y-axis. So if you were to fold over on the y-axis, it would fit perfectly over each other. And also it's sitting on the point 0, 0. So the minimum point is 0, 0. So that graph there is y is equal to x squared. It's your standard parabola. How would you know as well? The fact that they've given you -3, when you square -3, you get 9. And then also you would get +3 would also be 9. So that's the first one done. Okay. Now the second one, you can see it's also a parabola shape. But this time it has two roots. We have x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 3. So I'd get you to write that down. X is equal to 1 and x is equal to 3. They're the roots. So now go from roots to factors. So that's x minus 1 is a factor and x minus 3 is a factor. And we're just going to multiply them out. So we get x by x. So we should put the equal 0 there. X by x is x squared. Then I have minus x minus 3x plus 3 equals 0. So we get x squared minus 4x plus 3 equals 0. And then you just want to make sure that when x is 0, you get this point here, which is the intercept of the y-axis. So let x equal to 0, it would be 0 squared minus 4 by 0 plus 3 has to equal to 3. And it does. You get 3 equals to 3. So then therefore that there is the function of this second parabola. So in the third part then, we have a negative parabola. Straight away we know that it's going to be a negative x squared. We can also see its roots are at x equals to -3 and x equals to +1. So change those to factors. That's going to go to x plus 3 and x minus 1, okay, equals 0. Now we have x squared plus 3x minus x minus 3 equals 0. So x squared plus 2x minus 3 equals 0. Now, what else do we know is that they have given us this point here, which is -1,5. So when I let x equal to -1, the whole expression should equal to 5. So just in case, there might be some sort of amplification of this. So we put in a times -1 to be squared plus 2 by -1 minus 3. And then that should equal to 5. I'll just draw this across. So we get a times by, so -1 squared is going to be 1. 2 by -1 is going to be -2. And then we have -3 equals to 5. So a by -4 is equal to 5. So in this case, we need a is equal to 5 over 4, and it's negative. So what we need to do then is we need to go and actually include that here. And essentially you're going to multiply the line by -5 over 4 to make sure that you get the correct function. And that's your answer then. You can multiply that in if you want, or you can just leave it to the side. It doesn't really matter.